oXygen DITA Editor allows users with limited knowledge of XML to edit DITA documents in a similar way to a regular text processing application. In this demonstration, Mary, from our technical writing department, wants to add a new chapter in oXygen User Manual. This will contain a series of tips and tricks, and it will be added to the existing DITA User Guide map. She only has little knowledge about XML, so she will use the what you see is what you get editing capabilities of oxygenxml author. The map is opened in the DITA Maps Manager view and is presented in a table of contents manner. Mary will insert a new topic reference in the introduction chapter. This new chapter will be stored in a file called tipsandtricks.xml, and the topics format will be set to DITA. Trying to open up the topic reference triggers an error dialog that complains that the file does not exist. She chooses to create a file, having the possibility of using already defined DITA templates. Note that the topic title was refreshed in the Maps Manager. A whole set of DITA-specific actions are automatically added on the toolbar when the file is opened in author mode. For example, there are actions for altering text appearance or actions for managing tables and lists. She starts editing the file. First, the title is changed to Tips and Tricks. Using this action, she easily inserts an image into the document. She emphasizes a part of the text using a toolbar action. In the upper part of the editor view, an XPath toolbar highlights the current edited element. A new paragraph can be easily added. Just hit Enter at the end of the current paragraph and choose Split Paragraph action from the Content Completion window. In the newly added paragraph, Mary inserts an unordered list to outline the relevant points of this chapter. A new entry is added by splitting the current element. This is done either by invoking the Content Completion window or by using Insert a List Item toolbar action. Mary adds a new paragraph using a toolbar action. Now she needs a table that will contain the actual tips. She uses the Insert a DITA Table action. She uses a default table model with 2 rows and 2 columns. To have a more compact view of the table, Mary hides the column specification by selecting the appropriate style sheet. The first column represents the tip number, while the second the tip's content. To add a new tip, she needs one more row into the table. This is done instantly by pressing the Insert a Table Row action. DITA provides a mechanism for reuse of content fragments. Using this mechanism, Mary will reference a paragraph from another chapter. For this, she uses Insert a DITA Content Reference action. All she has to do is to select the document and ID of the referenced paragraph. The text is automatically rendered with a gray background, meaning that it cannot be edited from the current document. At the end of the chapter, she wants to add a reference to the oXygen website. The hypertext reference is set to oxygenxml.com website using Edit Attributes dialog. To see the new chapter modifications in the DITA Maps Manager, she must refresh the references. She wants to publish the user manual in PDF format. She can do this with just a couple of clicks. The transformation will be done using IDEOM's Formatting Object plugin. The generated PDF file has a table of contents with bookmarks to all chapters and sections. Thank you for watching this demonstration. More information about this topic can be found in the oXygen user manual.